आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे HTML का प्रैक्टिकल सेक्शन। तो HTML के प्रैक्टिकल सेक्शन में सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि HTML क्या है और HTML का यूज़ हम लोग क्या करते हैं। HTML is a web development language. It is used to create web page. So if we want to create web page, we need a basic syntax to create HTML web page. First, we write HTML. Before we write HTML, first thing is that you have to open Notepad or any text editor like Notepad or Notepad++, DOS or any text editor. So if we open Notepad and after that write first line are known as HTML tag. HTML tag are two types. First, pair tag. Suppose that this is the HTML tag and this is the HTML closing tag. This HTML are known as opening HTML and this HTML are known as closing tag. The forward slash always used with closing tag. In pair tag, we write forward slash and write name of tags. It means that it is the closing tag of any pair tag. Second tag, body. Body is also a pair tag. Pair tag means opening and closing tag. After that, we write marquee. Marquee tag is used to movement of any text or any objects. Second, we write here hi. Hi is a basic text and this br is the tag which is used to break line and this section is a comment line. Comment lines means that an ignorance line means that this line will not execute of any web browsers. Next, this is the text and after this text we write the tag br. Br means break a line. So we save this program and save as this program. First, whenever we save this program, we write file name .html. After that, save this program in any location. After that, you have to execute this program and display the output. This is the output. First, we write here the text marquee. This is the heading tag and heading tag is inside the heading tag 3. This is the break tag and here we write break. After that, we used marquee heading tag. Heading tag h1 is the biggest heading tag. Means this ABC is the longest heading tag and h2 is is smallest than h1. After that, smallest is h6. Most smallest are known as h6 tag. After this tag, we also used marquee tag for paragraph tag. This is the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag means that you have to change your paragraph using p tag. We write here code paragraph. We write this line and we first write here p. P means paragraph change. So means that we have to change paragraph from sentence this and end with closing tag. P is also a pair tag because here is opening P and here is a closing P. So let's is a have to change paragraph and this is the closing paragraph. Next we have to include pink background with basic formatting tag. In basic formatting tag we write here my name is and we need to write here b tag. B tag means that you have to bold any text. Opening bold and this is the closing and inside this we write Raju. So Raju is a bold. So here is a Raju is bold and I live in Agra. So in Agra we write I for italic tag. So Agra is italic. Agra is italic say. And this next I am 24 old. So the 25 is inside U means that U means underline tag. So 25 is underline. So this is the basic simple tag. You have to run and execute this program. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share among the groups. Thanks for watching.